Students, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Please mute yourself.
Frustrating job of the accidental sysadmin. As a developer, you just want to build a great website or mobile app, but somehow always end up as a system administrator. You spend a lot of time managing and configuring servers, databases, load balancers, firewalls, and networks instead of coding. Whenever you have to scale your servers to support more users, it becomes a headache because of the extra time you spend re-architecting your infrastructure. Wouldn't it be nice if you could just focus on writing code and building a great product and hand over the provisioning and scaling of the infrastructure and the installation and management of the application stack to someone else? Introducing AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk is an easy-to-use service that deploys, manages, and scales web apps and services for you. Elastic Beanstalk uses managed containers that support environments such as Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, and Docker on familiar servers such as Apache HTTP Server, Apache Tomcat, Nginx, Passenger, and IIS. Elastic Beanstalk leverages familiar AWS services such as Amazon EC2, S3, Simple Notification Service, Elastic Load Balancing, and Autoscaling. It's easy to get started on Elastic Beanstalk. You can use the AWS Management Console, the command line interface, or the API. You just choose your platform, like Node.js or Ruby, and Amazon EC2 instance type. Then, you select additional resources to use, such as Amazon Relational Database Service or Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, and then just upload your code. Elastic Beanstalk will handle the rest of the deployment details, such as provisioning, load balancing, auto-scaling, and application health monitoring. Elastic Beanstalk will automatically scale your application up and down based on easily adjustable auto-scaling settings. With Elastic Beanstalk, you also retain full control over all the AWS resources powering your app. You can take over some or all of the resources of your infrastructure anytime, so you're not forced to live with predetermined configurations. Elastic Beanstalk lets you focus on building great web or mobile apps for your users without spending a lot of time managing and configuring infrastructure. You can build things like websites, content management systems, API backends, and even SaaS applications. Elastic Beanstalk can help get you to market faster because it's quick and simple to get started. Elastic Beanstalk automatically load balances and manages scale, helping to make sure your app is always available. You can also tweak any Elastic Beanstalk resource you want when you need to, giving you complete control under the hood. Even better, there's no additional charge for Elastic Beanstalk. You pay only for the AWS resources needed to store and run your applications. To get started running your applications with AWS Elastic Beanstalk, visit our
So this is all about the Elastic Beanstalk. Means that you have the code is there, but you need an environment to run this one. Why the environment is needed? Otherwise, if you make it available in your local machine, that may not run in the client side. But if you deploy it in the AWS environment, that case you just give the authorization of your resource ERN number of your Elastic Beanstalk to the client, and the client just open that the same AWS cloud, and they will get the entire authorization, and they can handle the entire web application from there only. Okay, so I'm starting one application from the scratch. Go to your classroom. type elastic beanstalk. So already I have two environment is running, so I am creating a new environment. Now, if your web application, you need the other application support of AWS, that case you should take the worker environment. Means if within the Elastic Beanstalk, if I need the push notification services or email notification services also embedded with this one, so that so I'm giving the application name as test2 and the environment name is test2 environment for PHP. Suppose for PHP one application I am creating. Now domain name, you can give your name itself also. So I am giving here test2 PHP. Once I click on the URL, that case immediately you can also view the same Elastic web applications that I have created, or whatever you will create, I can check it. So it's basically an URL. URL name will be test2php.us beanstalk. Now that case it is a domain name basically. So whether this domain name is available or not, that you have to check. Okay, so this domain name is available. Now which platform you want to create? So as I already told you that it's an integrated development environment. You have the .NET Core, which is on top of Linux environment is there, on top of Windows Server is there. If you want to create a Docker, means complete package with its API and its patches, everything is available in the same platform. So that can also be, you can choose Glassfish or Go or Java or Node.js, PHP, Python, Ruby, Tomcat. So you can choose your application. So what you have to do that I am showing you for PHP website development environment. Now after creating PHP, you have to create each of the development environment and give your comment on that. Okay. So I am created PHP. Now this PHP is being created on which platform? PHP 7.4. That should be running on 64-bit Linux, Amazon Linux 2 environment. Instead of this one, if you want any other environment, that also means the older version of the PHP you want, that is also possible. So I am taking PHP 7.4, that is the current version of PHP, and the platform version is 3.11. Now this is a sample application. Instead of this one, if you want to upload your code over here, that is also possible. If you have a PHP already inbuilt PHP application which is running in your standalone machine, that also you can upload and directly run in your Elastic Beanstalk application process. So I don't have any right now any web application that is created in my system. So I am clicking this sample application and going to create environment. So creating an environment will take some time. Now let us check, go to the environment. You can see that these two environment is already created, but this environment is still pending. By this time, if you have any question, you can ask me right now. On Elastic Beanstalk, if you have any question, you can ask me. And the complete video is also available, the step by step with the step by step procedure. that I am showing. Just go to your lab. So experiment number 8. So create a PHP based web application. Here it is written key PHP based web application, but your task is create an integrated multiple development environment web application environment using Elastic Beanstalk. Means you have to check all the development environment. Okay, still it is pending. Okay, let it be created. Environment. So here you can see that the basic environment is created. Now you have to upload your own application and then deploy it. And if you don't upload, that is also no issue. It will show you whatever is created right now, the sample application that you can run. I'm giving you the URL and you can check it in your machine also. If I click paste this URL, you can check the sample web application that has been created using Elastic Beanstalk that you can see. So I am sharing this URL to you. You please check in your system whether it is running okay or not. So the created environment I have shared to you, and by this time let us check that the which one just now we have created, whether this one become ready or not. No, still it is pending. So if it becomes remains pending, that means that the existing applications you cannot run. It will not show. Oh, so this application is already created. So no issue. So this is your web application environment. Okay, now you can check that this one is also created. Now your job is to go to create a new environment, and after that you have to create the environment in all platforms. Here I have shown you for only Linux, sorry, PHP applications. Now you have to create in all other application environment also. Now for all other applications, you have to check for Java, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Tomcat, Docker, .NET Linux, .NET Windows Server. So this is your today's task. And if you face any problem, immediately you will remain. I will be online, so you can contact with me immediately. So if you have any question, you can ask me right now. Have you understood what you have to do in today's task? Student, is this clear?
Sir, repeat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and okay. So start doing the things. But before that, from today onwards, I am going to take your attendance physically. Physically means that I will roll call and you have to respond to that roll call. So those who will miss that one, their attendance will not be taken because the last time whenever I have given the attendance to the admin section, that time I find out that few of the students have attended as a unregistered unknown user. So it becomes very difficult task for me to identify that particular student. Okay. So I am starting it from the CSC 5th semester. So please respond properly. Siddharth Bharali,
Present, sir.
Akramul,
Yes, sir.
Lohit, Ben,
Yes, sir.
Ben, Tania,
Present, sir.
Dosar, Padung, Dipendra
Yes, sir.
Shetty, Dosar, Dosar Padung
Yes,
or
sir.
Dipendra Shetty?
Sir, pardon, sir.
Okay, okay. Dipendra is not there, right? Okay. Priyakshi,
Yes, sir.
Himanshu, Harshit, Sajid,
Present, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mustak,
Yes, sir.
Vikash, Azad,
Yes, sir.
Lucky, Lucky Gogoi, Avilash,
Lucky is from BI,
Present,
sir.
sir.
Lucky is from?
BI, sir.
So Lucky is from BI, then why her name is there? Okay, I am striking her name. Okay, Abhilash,
Present, sir.
Surojit,
Yes, sir.
Orpita,
Present, sir.
Udit,
Present, sir.
Jaiprakash Jatia, Jibaran Das, Akash Changmai, Hitesh, Kelvin,
Yes, sir.
Noah, Noah, Isa, Vero, Rahul,
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Sandeep, Roland, Aben,
Present, sir. Sir,
Lima, Lima,
Present, sir.
those who have given the details, please unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Amam Tadok,
Yes, sir.
Sheikh Bahadur,
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Sir,
Abdul
Ditima.
Tahir Khan, MSc 9th semester, Abdul,
Hello, sir.
Present, sir.
Vivek,
Present, sir.
Didipjit,
Yes, sir.
Adlanjoti Shaikia,
Yes.
Shuman Roy,
Yes, sir.
Shivam
Ahmed,
Kolita, Shubham Barman,
Yes, sir.
Shivam Kolita, Shankar Jyoti Shaikia, Deep Jyoti Hajarika, Ankur Bora,
Yes, sir.
Rajumani Bora,
Present, sir.
Rajiv Loshan Rajbangshi,
Present, sir.
Rajashri Das,
Present.
Present, sir.
Rahish, Vandan,
Yes, sir.
Purabi, Pritishmay, Halima, Vishal, Vishwajit, Hilavanjan Chutia,
Yes, sir.
Vandita, Navrajyoti,
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Shetty,
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Five, Anojyoti, Kardik,
Yes, present. Sir, fire present. Yes, sir.
Keshavi, Kalpajyoti, Joyita,
Yes, sir.
Jasudip, Hirokjyoti, Santosh, Biplab,
Present,
Bhavesh,
sir.
Bhavesh,
Yes, sir.
Kapurov,
Present, sir.
Kanak, Kunwal, Alwin, Ankit,
Yes, sir.
Gorango,
Present, sir.
Ritupon, Dulushmita,
Ritupan present, sir.
Meghna,
Present, sir.
Suraj, Divi, Suren, Chinmoy, Prince,
Present, sir.
Himanto, Shakil,
Present, sir.
Kuldeep, Suraj, Shubham, Divyajyoti, Dittiman,
Yes, sir.
Sachin,
Yes, sir.
Gopal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So you please start the work.
Sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Ranadeep present.
नाम बोलो.
Sir, Ranadeep Fukan.
रौनक जतिया.
सर
Hello, sir.
विकास बोशो का माइक वर्क नहीं कर रहा था सर. वो
विकास.
चैट में यस
विकास.
सर वो चैट
Okay.
यस सर विकास बोशो.
मैं दे देता हूँ.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, Rahul present. CSC 5th sem.
हाँ हाँ दे दिया.
Yes, sir.
सर Ranadeep Fukan.
हाँ दे दिया.
ओके.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
hello. From electrical easy present, sir.
Yeah, easy I have given.
Before I was due to bad network, I was disconnected, sir.
Now which one? Easy ना? Easy I have given. No issue.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, Dolan also present.
हाँ.
Dolan.
Roland I have given.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You please start the work.
present.
हाँ.
Sir. Mr. बोलो integrated MSAT 9th semester present.
Given.
Sir, from CSE Rohit Kumar Singh.
Rohit, let me check. Rohit is given. So please prepare with your mic.
Ritupan present, sir.
Yeah, I have given.
Okay, sir.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलो.